Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Marisa, and today I'm with my budgies. This is Mango. Hi Mango, what you doing? Oh Mango, cute little Mango. She's so cute. Right Mango? You're cute, right? We're the cutest budgie ever, right? There's Mango, my Mango. And this is Skypea. I like him a lot. And this is PP, the boy budgie is PP, who is feeding the girl budgie. The girl budgie is Kipi. She's so cute, right? So good. They're feeding each other. She's feeding like a baby chicky. PP left her sad budgie. There you go. PP is here. PP is playing with others. Mango is biting my camera. So cute. What are you doing, Mango? I'm gonna bite my camera again. You just bite my camera. There you go. Kipi wanna comes out. There you go. She comes out. Mango wanna go to the she's hiding place, and there you go, Kipi. So cute. There you go. Pipi is eating the cage, you know. You don't eat it. Don't eat that. Others can join him. Please join him. Wake up. Mango wanna sit here. Mango, hi Mango. What are you doing? Mango, you don't wanna sit here. Hey Mango, you wanna eat my camera? You don't wanna eat my camera, right? Oh, cute Skypea, my cute budgie. Skypea, cute little Skypea, so cute. Hey, Kipi, you are doing your yoga? You like to do yoga, right? Doing yoga, wow. You're doing yoga. You're eating, you're scratching your cheek. She likes to do her yoga. What is Pipi doing? Skypea swings. What is Skypea doing? Skypea swimming. Okay, bye guys.